here is what we're doing for our art lesson today. And you can color it, of course. And this is the kind of wagon that I was talking to you about that the pioneers came in our unit concept video this morning. So they came in a wagon like this, and they had, this is like a big canvas part right here. And it covered the wagon, it kept the rain off them, it kept their stuff dry, hopefully. Sometimes it had leaks. And then they would hook the animals here, they would ride up here and drive the animals. And they had to come a long ways to help settle places. Some pioneers, we call them pilgrims, they came across the ocean and settled the states on the East Coast. But then most of the other states, they moved across the country and they had to come in wagons like this. And eventually they had trains that helped them take them across the country. And then after that, they had buses and airplanes and all sorts of things. But the pioneers who came first mostly had to come in wagons, and they walked a lot of the way too. They used the wagons mainly to carry their things. But this is a little, so this is also a number review. This is a little maze. So here, see this arrow? This is where you start. And do you see the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9? So we want to go in the order. So here we're going to start here at the arrow, and we're going to go down to the number 1. Okay, what comes after 1? 2. So we're going to go to the 2. What comes after 3? 2, 3. There's a 3, and then we're going to go to 4. So this is just like a wagon going across the plains, and these little check marks, 1, 2, 3, are like the landmarks that they use to make themselves help them get across. Like there was some forts that they would go to. There was some landmarks, like Chimney Rock was a landmark. And so these numbers are like, pretend like you're in the wagon going across the plains to try to settle a new state, and the numbers will help you. They're the landmarks. So after 4 comes what? 5, then 6, 7. Now the rules of the maze is you're not supposed to go over the line like that. I made a mistake. Okay, here's 7. What comes after 7? 8. Okay, can make it down to 8. All right, and finally to 9. Woo! I made it to where I was going. And then when you're through doing the maze, you can color it. You can use your white crayon, because a lot of times this part of the wagon was white. Color that white. It shows up a little bit. You can color the wheels. We're usually made out of wood. So I'm going to color them brown. Or you, of course, can color them whatever color you want. So I'm just going to color a little bit to show you that you can do it. And that's kind of fun. So that can be the last part of your art, is coloring your Conestoga wagon. That's what it's called, Conestoga wagon.